I know you're probably trying to buy a house, a new car, or whatever it is that you're trying to get, but that credit is keeping you from doing it. So in today's video, we will be talking about ways to get that credit score up so you can get the home of your dream, the car of your dream, or whatever it is that you have been dreaming about. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sim Marie, and in today's video I will be talking about getting the credit up, because yes, we are at the age now where we want things, we deserve things, and when we were younger we didn't really care about much as far as credit goes. So we let things pile up. We didn't pay this, we didn't pay that, or we forgot to pay it, and we're paying the price. So in today's video, we will talk about ways to build your credit back up to get the things that you have worked hard for and that you deserve. Now, I will start by saying building your credit back up is not an overnight process, but it does not take a long time. What it depends on is you, how far you're willing to go. The power of building your credit back up depends on you. So don't crunch yourself and don't worry about anybody else and how fast they're doing theirs or how slow you're doing yours. Take your time, build your credit up right for you. Okay, let's talk about the very first thing that you need to do. You need to get a copy of your credit report, and I'll put the link right here. There's also a good thing. Since the COVID-19 and everything was going on, it's going on, you're allowed to get your credit report every 30 days, which is great, and I'm going to tell you why that's a great thing a little bit later. So you need to get your credit report. You need to get all three: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Once you get your credit reports, take a look at all of the collections that you have on there. I'm going to tell you this: never pay your collections. I know it may sound crazy, but I'm going to tell you why. Never pay collections. When you pay your collections, they still stay on the report, even though they're paid. So the best thing to do is to dispute them. So this is something that I didn't know in the beginning. I've always disputed my collections online. That's a big no-no. You do not want to dispute your collections online. You want to do them by letter. And there's a lot of templates that you can use, but I'm going to go ahead and help you out now and let you know what you need to put on your dispute letter. You need to have your full name and address. You need to put the credit bureau's information and address on there as well. You also need to put the collections information next to the item that you are disputing, along with your partial account number if you have an account number attached to that collection. Then you need to respond with why you do not feel like this is your collection and why this collection needs to be moved. And also you need to put what you want to be done. Basically, I want this account removed. That's what you will put on the letter to the credit bureau. Okay, it's important that you do not dispute more than 5 collections in a 30-day period. Do not, because then they'll get to looking like, what's really going on? Is this really not his or her collection account, or what's going on? So you don't want to do that, because then they don't really like that too much. And that goes back to the thing I was saying in the beginning of the video. It's a great tool now that you're able to get your credit report every 30 days, which means once you have sent your disputes off and it's been a 30-day period, you can get your credit report again and see if those collections have been removed. We want those bad boys removed. Okay, so you may have a question, well, I have this amount of disputes. Can I put them all together, or do I have to send individual ones? The answer is you can put the disputes on the same letter. Say you have 5 disputes, which is the most you should be disputing at one time. Say you have 5 disputes that you're working on. You can put all 5 of those disputes on there at one time for that one particular credit agency, which means that one letter is only going to apply to, say you're doing Equifax. That one letter is for Equifax. But you remember, there's 2 other credit agencies out there, so you need a letter for each one. So all 5 of those are Equifax. You need to put those same 5 on TransUnion and also Experian. But yes, you can dispute 5 at a time on your letter. Make sure you put your account numbers next to them, the collection agencies. Make sure you have all that information on the one letter. Now, it's very important that you send it certified mail to receive a receipt. You need to have confirmation that they have received your letter. Once they have received your letter, they have 30 days to respond. And if they do not respond, then it's a win for you. Let's do a quick recap. Number one, you need to get your credit report. You need to go online and request your credit report. Number two, dispute. Ask for the collection to be deleted. Do not pay off the collection. If you pay off the collection, it will not boost your credit score. It will make it seem like it's still on there and you still owe. You have to get the collection deleted. Once it's on your credit score, whether it's paid off or not, it's not going to boost your credit score. You have to get the collection deleted completely off your credit report. Number three, make sure you write the letter. Put your first name, your last name, the collection, the collector's information, everything that I told you previously. Make sure everything is filled out correctly. There are plenty of templates online that can help you with a dispute form. Number four, make sure you let them know in the letter that you are disputing this and you want the collection deleted. Make sure you get it deleted. Number five, make sure you do not dispute more than 5 collections in a 30-day period. Do not exceed 4 or 5 collections in a 30-day period. Because once you dispute those, in about 30 days, you can request a credit report and see if those items have been deleted. Every 30 days, you are allowed to get your credit report right now. I do not know how long that will last, but as of right now, you can get your credit report every 30 days. Number 6, make sure you send it certified mail. You need to get receipt that it has been received. You want to have that information. You want to have that proof. Hey, I mailed it certified. This person signed for it, so I know you have it. And they have 30 days to respond. If they do not respond, then it's a win for you. Also, it's important that you mail your dispute in. Do not do it online, because I have heard that those systems are automated, generated systems. You need someone to open up your mail, really take a look at your dispute, and really get something done about it. You want the account deleted. Like I said, that is the only way that you will be able to boost your credit score, is by getting that account or collection deleted. After you have gotten those disputes deleted, you will see your credit score go from 400 to the 7s or higher. My credit score was low. My credit score was down in the 400s. Like, oh my God, like college life really took me down through there. I thought I was grown. I was getting credit cards. I was getting contracts with cell phone businesses. I was doing the most. And my credit score was affected by that. Now I'm older. I'm trying to get a home. I'm trying to get new cars. I'm trying to get this, trying to get that. And my credit is like, hold on, baby girl. You took advantage of me back in the day. So now you got to work to gain my trust back. So it's very important that you get your credit report. Look at your credit report. Look at the collections that they have on there for you. Dispute them by letter. Ask to get those collections removed, deleted. Do not pay the collections off. If you have any more questions, please comment down below and I will answer your questions as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sim Marie is out. Now get to going, get that credit report, look at those collections, and mail it and say you want to delete it. All right, y'all.